trick is to not let people know how weird you are until it's too late for them to back out.
Hola, ¿cómo tal? So nice to meet you. You said we should go and get a love yours, but I don't really care for me.
He's a 10, but his brain is made of shrimp.
Pump up the jam, pump it up while your feet are stumping. And the jam is pumping, look ahead, the crowd is jumping.
Diary. My food dish is now only half full. It is obvious that I will soon starve to death. I have repeatedly tried to draw attention.
You're my best friend, and that if anything ever happened to you, I would lose my mind.
Baby, sweet like bubble tea.
Look at my cat. Look at it. Look at it. Look at this cat.
No, I don't care. That's not the point.
I don't know her.
Okay, but that's not the point.
Primero de enero te apuntas al gimnasio, te jartas de Nutella, pero quieres cuerpazo, pagas la matrícula, pero no volverás tú. For it.
Is tomorrow Friday?
Yeah.
Yeah, I could feel it. I could feel it in my party bones.